Getting sued for debt in California? Ignoring it is like setting your wallet on fire. Before we dive in, click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount on SoloSuit services. Trust me, you'll want this. I'm Alexandra, and today we're talking about something that affects thousands of Californians every month, debt lawsuits, and how you can actually win this game. Here's what most people don't know. In California, when you get served with a debt lawsuit, you have exactly 30 days to respond. Not 31, not when you feel like it. Exactly 30 days. Miss that deadline? The court automatically rules against you. It's called a default judgment, and it's basically legal speak for you lose without even playing. Now, here's where it gets expensive. That default judgment lets debt collectors garnish your wages, freeze your bank accounts, and even put liens on your property. But here's the plot twist. Most debt lawsuits are actually winnable. Debt collectors often can't prove they own your debt, have incomplete paperwork, or violate California's strict debt collection laws. That's where SoloSuit comes in. Think of it as your legal GPS for debt lawsuits. You answer some questions, SoloSuit generates a legally sound response, and boom, you're back in the game. But wait, there's more. SoloSuit also connects you directly with debt collectors through their settlement platform. We're talking settlements often completed in under 2 weeks, sometimes for 50% less than what you originally owed. One California user settled a $8,000 debt for $12,400 in just 5 days. That's real money back in your pocket. The best part? You don't need a law degree or a 3-piece suit. SoloSuit handles the legal jargon while you focus on getting your life back on track. Ready to stop running from debt collectors and start fighting back? Click that link in the description for your special discount. Your future self will thank you.